Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best fret crowning is probably one of the most crucial steps in achieving a perfectly playing guitar, as it directly impacts the instrument's intonation, playability, and overall tone. This meticulous process involves reshaping the tops of the frets to a rounded profile after they've been leveled, ensuring that your strings have a smooth surface to glide over without buzzing or snagging. A well-crowned fret not only feels better under your fingers but also contributes significantly to the clarity and sustain of every note you play, making it an essential skill for any serious guitarist or luthier looking to elevate their instrument's performance to its highest potential. Number 5. Baroque 3rd Gen Diamond Fret Crowning File. Introducing the improved 3rd generation fret crowning file from Baroque. It offers a deeper groove and higher grit for finer filing, making fretwork easier and more detailed. This essential luthier tool comes with 3 groove sizes to accommodate various instruments. It's perfect for ukuleles, standard guitars, basses, banjos, mandolins, and even jumbo frets. Crafted with a high-strength diamond electroplating process, it ensures a longer service life and sharper filing. The solid rosewood handle provides an excellent grip for smooth, effortless operation. It includes a protective Oxford bag for easy carrying and storage. A detailed user guide is also provided to help you achieve the best results. For the smoothest frets, use this file in conjunction with Baroque fret erasers. After filing, a final polish with a higher grit eraser will ensure a perfectly smooth finish. What we like. This improved 3rd generation file offers finer fret marks with deeper grooves. If you are looking for a tool that provides detailed fret crowning and a comfortable grip for extended use, this is a great option. Its solid rosewood handle ensures smooth operations and saves effort, making it ideal for luthiers and serious hobbyists. What people say. It made it a breeze compared to the other files I've had in the past that just have steel teeth. It basically just takes a lot less time this way, and the grit produced by filing is a fine powder, which is easier to vacuum up. It seemed to crown the frets off just fine once the follow-up sanding and polishing was complete. To the drawbacks: 1. The design of the file is longer than the typical flat files, so it can be difficult to use on the lower frets which are at the instrument's body. I thought there would be an issue using it on my mandolin frets since they are so close together at the bottom, but the round design allowed it to clear the surrounding frets. Great fret crowning file. 3 options for different sized frets and includes soft case. Number 4. 4th Gen Baroque Guitar Fret Crowning File. Introducing the latest generation of our fret crowning file. It has been meticulously optimized for shape, function, material, and user experience, offering unparalleled performance for your instruments. With 4 slot gauges, 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, and 4 mm, this tool is incredibly versatile. It accommodates everything from extra narrow ukulele frets to standard guitar and bass frets, and even jumbo frets. Experience enhanced comfort and control with the innovative square handle. Its design is more ergonomic, providing a secure grip that makes applying pressure easier and more stable. This innovative tool isn't just for leveling frets, its unique square design also allows you to effectively file sharp fret ends. It's a comprehensive solution for fret maintenance. Crafted using a high-strength emery electroplating process, it ensures a longer service life. Expect sharper filing and higher working efficiency, making your luthier tasks more productive. Whether you're working on electric guitars, acoustic guitars, ukuleles, basses, or banjos, this tool is designed to meet your needs. It's the ideal luthier leveling and dressing tool for a wide range of stringed instruments. What we like. Featuring a 4th generation upgrade, this file boasts 4 groove sizes, including a 4 mm option for jumbo frets, making it incredibly versatile. The innovative square handle design offers a superior grip, preventing slippage and allowing for easier pressure application. If you need a tool that can handle a wide range of instruments and provides exceptional control, this is the one for you. What people say. It does a great job on the frets and it cuts down on the time when doing a fret job. High quality. I have used this on stainless and frets and still works great. Big handle for precise work. Very easy to use and clean. Works great, very fast and fits in the hand good too. Number 3. 45 PCS Guitar Repair Maintenance Toolkit. Introducing a comprehensive 45-piece toolkit designed for all your guitar maintenance needs. This set is perfect for acoustic and electric guitars, as well as other string instruments. It includes essential tools like fret files, radius gauges, Allen wrenches, and a string winder. You'll also find bridge pins, cutting pliers, and a feeler gauge for precise adjustments. This kit allows you to easily change strings, set the tone, and adjust the action. It's also perfect for cleaning, maintaining, and repairing your instrument. Whether you're a luthier, a hobbyist, or a professional musician, these tools are designed for convenience. They are perfect for DIY repairs and adjustments. Everything comes neatly organized in a handy carrying case. This compact toolkit is ideal for both beginners and experienced players, making it a perfect gift. These are the necessary tools for any musician looking to keep their instrument in top condition. They are specifically designed to help you complete common repairs and adjustments. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one solution for guitar maintenance and repair, containing 45 essential tools for various tasks. If you're a beginner or a seasoned musician who wants to be prepared for any situation, this kit is perfect. It includes everything from fret crowning files to string winders and cleaning supplies, all neatly organized in a handy carrying case. What people say. Decent entry-level kit for the DIY type. Great kit. I would recommend that beginners take a course in guitar maintenance and repair before using this kit. It is a great little set, but the zipper in the toolbox container gets stuck when opened and difficult to manage and close. This is not a big deal. The tools are what is expected for the price. I recommend it. These are just what I needed. Number 2. Baroque Diamond Guitar Fret Crowning File, 3rd Gen. Discover the improved 3rd generation Baroque Fret Crowning File. It's designed with deeper grooves and finer grits for superior performance. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel and coated with diamond grits, this tool ensures durability and efficiency. Its concave center design makes crowning frets quick and easy. This versatile file features 3 groove sizes. Use the small slot for ukulele frets, the medium for standard guitar and bass frets, and the large for jumbo frets. It comes with a comfortable wooden handle for extended use. Plus, it's packed in an individual nylon Oxford bag, making it highly portable for any repair job. For the smoothest, shiniest frets, we recommend using our Baroque fret eraser after filing. Achieve professional results with ease. What we like. This 3rd generation file is designed for efficiency with its diamond grit and 3-in-1 sizing for various frets. If you prioritize a tool that is both effective and portable, this is an excellent choice. Its concave center design makes crowning frets quick and easy, and it comes with an individual Oxford bag for convenient transport. What people say. Amazing fret tool fits small, medium and large frets great, well designed and fits the hand well. Quickly removes material but doesn't leave an overly gouged finish. The metal used is super solid and dense and has some serious weight to it, which in my opinion, makes it feel very high quality. The crowning areas are very well machined and hold up very nicely during and after use. The handle is also very solid, and is attached to the file nice and tight, there is no play, or looseness at all. The file itself is good, you have the 3 sizes you need to cover most of the frets in any guitar, just need to be careful in using the right size. Number 1. Guitar Luthier Tool Set. Introducing a comprehensive tool set designed for guitar maintenance. This kit includes everything you need for fretwork and fingerboard care. Achieve perfect fret height with the included leveling beam. Its aluminum alloy construction ensures durability, and the 4 different grit sandpapers cater to all your polishing needs. The stainless steel crowning file, with its ergonomic handle, makes shaping frets easy. It's designed for efficient use after leveling, ensuring a smooth finish. Keep your instrument safe during maintenance. The stainless steel fingerboard guards prevent scratches and damage to your fretboard while you work. Everything comes neatly organized in a portable storage bag. This makes it easy to take your essential guitar repair tools wherever you go. This set is a must-have for any guitarist or bassist looking to maintain their instrument. It also makes a thoughtful gift for luthiers and musicians alike. What we like. This set provides a dedicated fret crowning file with an ergonomic rubber handle, a fret leveling beam with multiple grit sandpapers, and protective fingerboard guards. If you're looking for a specialized tool set to achieve perfectly leveled and crowned frets, this is ideal. It's a great addition for anyone serious about achieving a professional finish on their guitar or bass. What people say. The sanding block is simple and easy. It has 400 and 600 grit strips on the two narrow sides and 1000 and 1200 grit strips on the wider sides for finer sanding. The file is wider than standard frets and has a little wiggle room when placed on a fret. To crown the frets, you must use a light to medium downward pressure and apply slight sideways pressure against the side of the fret you are filing while leaning the file about 25 degrees on the side you are filing. The sanding block is probably the best part of the kit. Comes with 400, 600, 1000, and 1200 grit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.